Solve the system of equations by substitution. When you're solving a system of equations by substitution, the first thing you're going to want to do is take one of your equations and solve it for any variable. Well, that's already done. The first equation is solved for y. So once you have y or x all by itself, you take that equation and plug it into the variable for the other equation. So this is going to be a bit sloppy, so bear with me. Y is 6x minus 11. So I'm going to write the other equation and turn y into parentheses 6x minus 11 because y is 6x minus 11. Okay, so I rewrote this bottom equation and replaced y with 6x minus 11. The rest is just, an ugly math problem. Distribute, that gives us negative 2x minus 18x plus 33 equals negative 7. Combine like terms on the left, negative 2x and negative 18x make negative 20x. Drop down plus 33, drop down the equal sign, drop down negative 7. In order to get x all by itself, we subtract 33 from both sides first, 33 from both sides. That gets us negative 20x equals negative 40. In order to get x all by itself one more time, we're going to divide both sides by negative 20, the inverse, and x is going to equal positive 2. Now, a system of equations is going to have a solution as a point. So not only do we need an x value, but we need a y value too. How can I find my y value? Well, I know y is 6x minus 11. So why don't I replace x with 2 and say y is 6 times 2 minus 11. So y is going to be 12 minus 11, and y is going to be 1. Now that I have x is 2 and y is 1, I'm going to get myself a point in the format 2, 1. Now, a solution to a system of equations means if I were to label you x and label you y and plug you into both of these, it's going to work for both of these. If you watched my videos on graphing, what we would normally have done is graph both of these and find out where they intersect. Well, I don't want to graph something with a y-intercept of negative 11, and I don't want to graph something that's not even close to being slope-intercept form. So substitution is a way that we could use to get our point, and our point in this case is 2, 1. Not the easiest thing in the world, but that's how you do it.